Long time. What's going on, guys? Look what we have here. Remark Exhaust. Burn tips. It's been a long time, yeah. It's dirty because it's snowing outside. It's super cold here. Have the heater right there. It's still alive. It's been a long time, guys. I moved from Guam. Now I'm in North Dakota. I was thinking about to buy the new Type R, but I got a SUV for my wife, so I'm thinking about to stay with the SI for now. That's why I got the exhaust. So I'll be putting it on, and then I'm gonna do a test drive to see how it sounds. And then I'm gonna put the GoPro right here, like last time with the downpipe. So let's see. Alright, guys, installation is pretty easy. So I need to remove those bolts right there from the front pipe to the stock exhaust. Remove that thing. I put WD-40, so it's better. I know you guys here to see how the exhaust sound, so the installation is pretty straightforward. So let's put it on and fast forward this thing so you guys can see how the car sound. It took me like 15 minutes to remove the exhaust. Just need to remove the exhaust from this. Same in the other side, right there. And that's it. It's off. It's cool. All right, job is done. This thing is big. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Maybe I can sell it to somebody. I don't know. Yeah, super easy. Super easy. Oh, right there. Let me show you here. Super straightforward install. It's like 9 bolts. It doesn't take too much time. Oh, my car is super dirty because the snow. Look, all the salt in the floor. I got this SUV because you know the Civic doesn't have heated seats. Also the Type R. That's the main reason I got this SUV, because the Type R doesn't have heated seat. Like you guys see, it's super cold here. This SUV is nice. Have heated seats, front and the back. Yeah, let me show you guys. It's a nice SUV, 2023 Pathfinder. So for me and my family, so we can have like a better car for the snow. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna put my GoPro in the back so you guys can see how it sounds. I'm gonna do a cold start for you guys. how it looks. It's dirty, but it looks nice. Let's do this. This is how the car sounds inside. A second. It's fit. You guys, yeah. Let me put the window down, but it's super cold outside, so let's see. Yeah. Wet, so I can go faster, so yeah. I love it so far. If you guys use the car daily with your family, kids, I don't know, maybe this is not for you. For me, I have another car, so I'm using this car, it's just me, so I love it, the car. Wait. Yeah. Look at the temps. I love the bubbles.